Guys, Brian back here with a look at Rndr. Okay, we're going to take a look at this chart here. I'm going to show you some stuff here that you definitely want to keep an eye on heading forward. All right, we're going to talk about here in a second, but you can see it's definitely following this wedge type pattern up still. Okay, it started back geez, the beginning of the year. This thing has started up, and we haven't lost it yet. So we're going to come back here and take a look in a second. Look at the rest of this market right now. This is on the day. A lot of double-digit gains out there. Look at the week. So getting a lot of green out there this week. A lot of double digits. Look at block stack, 70%. That thing just will not slow down. COSPA, 35%. Look at Pepe. These are the top 100. Near 13%. Just did a near video. A lot of stuff out there really bouncing. And you know what's really weird about this? It really shouldn't be happening. That's what's really strange. Okay, let me see here. I want to show you guys something. We're gonna go over here to I'm gonna pull my other chart up here. I apologize, just hold on. Here we go. Bitcoin dominance. These altcoins should be getting crushed right now. Okay, if you look at Bitcoin dominance, this thing has just went off. You know, it's up to 51.8%. Just this week alone, this thing has gone up. You know, you're looking at 7% in 1 week. These altcoins should be down 20 or 30% right now, and they're not. So very strange. Okay, if you've been around this market a while, you know what I'm talking about. Shouldn't be happening right now. So Bitcoin itself, Bitcoin is absolutely looking fantastic. All right, and if we go out here on the weekly, there's an area that I really want you to please keep an eye on. 31,500 bucks. Okay, Bitcoin breaks through that. All right, I believe we're going to have this retrace up to the 702, just like back in 2019 here when we had our retrace. Okay, we ended up coming back up to the 702. We cooled back off for a while, then we had our bull run. Okay, I believe that's exactly what's going to happen here. We're going to have a retrace to the 702. Once we get up there, people are going to be screaming all-time high. All right, I believe it's going to retrace. We're going to cool off, and then we're going to have our bull run next year. That's just my opinion, okay? But we'll see how it plays out. All right, we also have the DXY falling, which is helping crypto out. You can see there, this is the DXY on the weekly. Thing has been rolling over pretty hard, so we've got some very interesting stuff going on out there. We have the total crypto market cap breaking out. You can see that big green candle on the weekly. That thing is just ripping out of here. And if we go in on the smaller time frames, you can see it had a inverse head and shoulders. Okay, then before it had the break out there, you can see that inverse head and shoulders right there. Our shoulder, head, shoulder, and we had our breakout here. So that thing is looking fantastic right now. All right, the whole market is really. This is the total too. This is the market cap without Bitcoin. See the inverse head and shoulders, same thing right down here. Yesterday we were right back to here. Okay, so it ended up being a fake out to the downside. We got back in the wedge here. This thing is looking absolutely fantastic. The whole market is. All right, I believe we're coming into a retrace. I really do. Rndr. Okay, there's a few things I want to show you here on here. All right, this is on the 4 hour, the daily. The RSI is still going up on the daily. It's at a 91 and a 75. Okay, the weekly RSI is coming down. It's bearish. It's at a 16 and a 35. All right, so if we zoom in here and take a look at a couple things. All right, number one, if you own this coin and you're charting it, get a trend line and put on that thing. All right, if you lose that trend line, my advice, not financial advice, but you might want to consider getting out if it loses that line. All right, if we go back here on the daily, I want to show you a couple things here with the RSI. And if you could please hit the like and subscribe, I would appreciate that so very much, guys. I don't cover Rndr a whole lot, but I do cover it. Let's look at this down here. I'm going to show you guys this RSI. Let's pull this up here, okay, because this is important. I want to go through a couple things here. All right, first off, right here, okay, we had, oops, let me grab my arrow again here. There we go. We had this high right here, okay, on the RSI right there. You can see this high right there. And we had a higher high here. We had a lower high on the RSI. Okay, then we had a higher high in price and another lower high on the RSI. And this high that's going to be coming in next looks like it's going to be a lower high. Okay, so what we got going on here is bearish divergence. We have lower highs coming in down there, and we have higher highs coming in on price. Okay, so just be aware of that. This is on the daily. Just be aware of that and be careful. Okay, just trying to protect you guys. Me personally, I don't hold much Rndr, but I have a lot of people that watch my videos that do. Okay, so this here is probably going to end up a resistance line down here. If you're watching your RSI, when this RSI gets up here to that line, it's probably going to get rejected right there and roll over. All right, down here on the RSI, but you have clear bearish divergence, higher prices and lower highs on the RSI. So just be careful out there, everybody. And all right, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Have a great night.